So another video on motif. For those of you who watched our other video on the same topic, I hope you understood what it means. If you didn't, and for those of you who haven't watched it, here is it again. A motif is an element that shows up multiple times in a film to convey a theme. It can be an object, a specific tune, a dialogue, a place, or anything else as well. In Swades, it's water. By water, I mean water in any form, be it a water body, drinking water, everything. In literature, water is often used to depict things like life, being born, purity, cleansing, or washing away of sins. It's the same here. Mohan gets packaged drinking water along with him. There are multiple instances where we see him sipping water from the bottle he's got, but only until this scene where he buys water from a vendor. This is the scene where he changes. This is a key scene in his character arc. Like I mentioned earlier, water acts as a tool of cleansing. Also take this scene where he's reluctant about getting his feet into the stream. Wait, reluctance, distancing himself from everything, being detached. Things like these are conveyed with another motif, the caravan. Mohan entered the village. Mohan isn't in his usual environment of machines, but he is in his comfort zone. This big box here represents his limited view of world and his luxurious way of life. This reminds me of the taxi in Martin Scorsese's Taxi Driver, which is a similar metaphor. There it represents Travis's confined world and also shows how Travis is always surrounded by people yet alone. Getting back to Swades, Mohan has everything in his caravan. He sleeps there, takes his bath there, does his work, almost everything else as well. He's done everything he can to replicate his lifestyle in the US, and it did work to a great extent. So it's only after this scene where he travels without his caravan that he finally comes out of his comfort zone. Not only travel, he sleeps outside for the first time in this film in this scene. This is the longest time he stayed away from it so far. He spends a whole day out. Okay, so let's get back to this scene. Yes, Mohan steps in, but is clearly reluctant. But in this scene where there's something obstructing the flow of water, he plunges in, without a second thought. Therefore, these two very famous scenes have three things in common. Both mark a change in Mohan's character, both have water in common, and both have Mohan dressed in white, which is often used as a symbol of purity. It's only fitting that the film ends with this shot where Mohan is literally cleansing himself. Coincidence? I think not. So that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please don't forget to share it. Thank you again.